Claim: did CNN really apologize for their Ukrainian journalist picking wine during Trump's assassination attempt? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Social media users have claimed that CNN has apologized for their Ukrainian journalist stealing wine at the White House Correspondents' Dinner. Facebook user Lena Irina Filatova made such a post with the caption, translated into English, "They remember the pens, they remember." The stranger who stole wine at a dinner with Trump turned out to be Ukrainian Olesa Bezruchko. CNN correspondent demonstrated blatant greed amid a threat to life. She turned out to be CNN special correspondent from Ukraine, Olesa Bezruchko. View the post here.
Fact check.
Truth: the claim is false. There is no credible evidence or statement which suggests CNN has apologized. Moreover, no journalist by the name of Olesa Bezruchko works for CNN, and the Mirror has not posted any article as shown in the claim. Also, no reliable source establishes that the woman in the video is a Ukrainian national or a journalist. Fact check details. Digit Eye India decided to investigate this claim and found it to be false. There's no verified proof or official statement indicating that CNN has issued an apology. Additionally, no journalist named Olesa Bezruchko is associated with CNN, and the Mirror has not published any article making such a claim. No sources confirm that the woman in this video is a Ukrainian national or a journalist. She is one of the evening's guests, whose identity has not been officially disclosed. The Independent has shared the video that can be seen here and mentions that not all attendees were rattled by the ordeal, with some even calmly seizing the opportunity to pick up alcohol on their way out. View the image of the woman shared in the report here. According to a report by USA Today, the identity of the woman remains unknown, and it is unclear whether she was a journalist or a guest at the event. Nowhere does it state that the woman was a journalist from CNN or some other Ukrainian journalist. View the section from the report here. Thus, the claim is false. Claim: CNN apologized for Ukrainian journalist picking up wine bottle during assassination attempt on Trump on 25 April 2026. Conclusion: the claim is false. There is no credible evidence or statement which suggests CNN has apologized. Moreover, no journalist by the name of Olesa Bezruchko works for CNN, and the Mirror has not posted any article as shown in the claim. Also, no reliable source establishes that the woman in the video is a Ukrainian national or a journalist. Rating: false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digit Eye India.